Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Vussy Max. You know the vibes in the building. So yeah, man. Today I want to talk to you guys about the video that I failed. Actually, I tried to make a live last night and I failed. And this is what I wanted to talk about, right? So I want to talk about the the CNBC app, the updated strategy, how to use that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So the video is this is the video now. This is why we're doing this video because hey, the live stream was a disaster last night. You feel me? But yeah, the boys on it. Wanna find another way to do that. So if you're new to the channel, I go by the name of Vussy Max. Like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? You can follow me on across all my platforms and left them there. You know, so I'm gonna try to upload also these other platforms and such. So yeah, I don't think there's anything else left, man. Let's go into it, dog. This video is sponsored by the marketplace powered by Trader Central. So recently launched, the marketplace is a town square for traders to make a living out of the ecosystem. Currently, Havana is accessible, a digital playground where you play to earn tokens, which can be used for discounts on your funding plan or purchase packs to fast track your challenge. Go to the link in the description box below and access the marketplace. I've been trying to make this video like I don't know how many times, maybe like 2 times, and my system has just been failing the whole time. So if you guys know anything about this thing, that this software that I'm using is called OBS. If you guys know anything about this thing, I mean, I appreciate the thing. I'd appreciate any help I can get in the comment section or whatever. But yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna figure it out. But yeah, let's go. This is take 3 of CNBC app, right? So I already did a video on this, but today I wanna elaborate on exactly, you know what I'm saying, how to use this thing. Because people think this thing will give you signals, and this thing isn't gonna give you signals, but it's gonna help you in terms of like your trading your trading journey or whatever. But it only works if you trade what you call Nas100, US30, and S&P 500, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna yes, you see, now we're not even sleeping, but yeah, I'm gonna show you how to use this in your own strategy if you're trading those things, like I said, right? So what you wanna do, or before we go into this, a disclaimer: this strategy works with these 3 instruments: Nas100, the NASDAQ, works with US 500, which is the S&P 500, or yeah, some brokers list it under SPX 500, but yeah, it works with the US 500. It works with US 30. US 30 is the Dow Jones, so it works with that. It works with NAS. It works with US 500, right? So as long as you're trading these indices, it's gonna work. I don't know. I don't think it doesn't work with German 30. I don't really trade German 30 like that. But if you guys want, I can go find out more about what works with, you know, German 30 and stuff like that. Yeah, sharp. So I'm also gonna show you how to download it on your phone at the end of this video. You feel me? So yeah, you wanna go to the website CNBC. So the CNBC is basically a platform where you get all the news that affect the global markets, the financial markets, the NASDAQ, and stuff like that. It's also a place where it's also a place where if you're trading stocks, it's a very good platform because now you can get all the news surrounding all of those stocks all in the same place, right? So because of what we're doing right now, what you want to do, you want to go to watch list. You can also do this on the phone, like I said. You're gonna go to watch list, and I'm just waiting for this thing to open real quick. When it goes to watch list now, you wanna create a watch list, right? So as you create a watch list, I already said this in the other video I uploaded from. You create a watch list. You're gonna add this NAS1. You're gonna name your watch list NAS100 movers. So we're calling it this because every time the market moves, like it's because of all these things. Well, basically the NAS100, not just any market, but when the NAS100 moves, or the 3 instruments I just mentioned in the beginning, every time they move, they're being driven by all these 7 stocks. So these are like the most powerful ones, right? So you want to add them. So now what they do is they don't give you a signal per se, but they show you where the market is going. You feel me? So the red, if you're seeing red numbers, it means it's bearish. If you're seeing green numbers, it means green values, it means it's bullish. So if you can just check one to the ratio of bulls against bears, we only have 2 bulls and we have like 5 bears. You understand? And now if you go to US 30, you can see US 30 is bearish. If you go to SPX 500, it's bearish. If you go to Nas100, is also bearish. And the structures are looking very similar. FM, I have not slept. Yo. This is real. And it's a Friday. Woo. Yeah, so as you can see, these markets are bearish. So when you go now to your watch list, you can see your watch list, Nas100 movers is also reflecting that this thing is bearish. You understand? So you want to use this, but this is only effective on New York session, right? Because you know the stock market opens in New York session. So if you're in SA, that means like in the morning and stuff, it's not really gonna help you out because the market is gonna be closed. The stock market will be closed, so these things won't be moving. So now, even now when I'm shooting this, it's like 10 minutes to 1 o'clock on Friday. So there's still 2.5 more hours before these things can start, operating. And then once they start opening and the value starts to fluctuate, now that's when I can actually see if now they're becoming more bullish or they're still remaining in the bearish outlook and stuff like that. So I hope you understand, fam. So now I'm gonna show you how to do it on the thing, how to do it on the mobile, right? As you can see, signal sent GBP. We just sent the GBP USD. Okay, but it's fine. That's another case. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to use CNBC. You see, this is the app, the CNBC app. That's what you. Yes. So that's the app, CNBC. You just download it on your App Store or Google Play Store, whichever one you're using. So now you're just gonna have to sign in so you can use other features like a watch list. So now you're gonna go to your watch list. You're gonna create Nas movers and stuff like that. So basically this is the one. This is the other one we created. It's the Amazons and stuff. We just added a couple of other features and stuff like that. But basically it's the same. It's the same application procedure. You understand? So now, like I told you, the market is going to open at 3:30, which is 9:30 NY time. So that's why these things right now, they're not moving, because basically if you go to market close, you'll see this is how the market closed. So nothing is going to change and stuff. And then when you scroll down, you're just going to get news based off your watch list. You understand? So yeah, it's that easy.